This is the video number 8 of the course of conservation framing carried out by Rinaldin. The course is edited and presented by Mal Reynolds, who is a recognized authority in this field.
There are occasions when you have artwork on board. It may be a watercolour that an artist has done on watercolour board, or you may have actually had some artwork stuck onto a board itself. That thickness is going to cause us a problem, because if we have our window mount and we place our window mount direct onto there, then when we apply pressure, what is likely to happen is it's likely to lift the edges of the aperture. So what I need to do is I need to build up that thickness so the window mount lies flat. I do this in one of two ways. The first way is by using a piece of solid board, the same thickness as the artwork on the board, and cut with an aperture such that the artwork fits snugly in there. And then you can see that once I place the board on top, then it fits flat and secure. What I do is I take the thick solid board and I place it close to the window mount, but what I've also done, as you can see, I put a piece of board underneath the window mount such that the window mount is level with the solid board. I take my linen tape, moisten the tape itself, and then place it over the centre and take my burnishing tool and gently burnish it down. What I then need to do is I need to secure the backboard onto the actual mount itself, but again what I need is that to be level. So in this case what I do is I take a piece of board, the similar sort of thickness, to make sure that this backing is level. Take my tape, wet the tape again, and place it down the centre. Burnish. Provides me with my mount with the solid board, and of course what happens is to place the artwork inside, and there is the mount package. I'm now going to show you an alternative way of doing that. We take these scraps of board and some pH neutral glue, and we actually glue the strips of mountboard around the artwork, like so. And what we actually are doing is actually repeating this process, but using scraps of board. And there, once that is placed on top, then we can actually cut the mount to size. And that is an alternative, using strips of waste mountboard, of supporting thick artwork. As a matter of interest, if you have artwork that is cockled or buckled and you need to have a deeper mount, then this is a good way of actually achieving that.
You will find all the products for conservation framing in our website.